You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words or phrases and how they differ or not. Those two are pronounced the same exact way, but when do you use it? When do you use them? The top word here, spelling ITS as a single word, is a determiner. An example of phrase would be: the car is parked in its driveway. Its driveway. Or the house has its own swimming pool. So this is used as a bit of a possessive, alright? So instead of saying yours, it's its, okay? Its, that's how you pronounce it. The bottom word is an abbreviation short for it is. It's a contraction. It is, IT''S, pronounced as its also. Those are homophones, that's why they are confused very often. It's very sunny today. That's an example of how you use the contraction it is. It's very sunny. It's rainy today. It's raining. Or my car has its own wheels. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.